Hello everyone. Over the course of 4 years, we've been upgrading our technology infrastructure. This involved replacing routers in year 1, network switches in year 2, recabling last year, and finally, the Wi-Fi boxes are being replaced this year. It is taking the entire village to handle this. And I wanted to take a quick moment to thank our mobile technicians, Bob, Drew, and Ryan, for their hard work over the winter break, helping with this task. All of our techs, Bill and Dave as well, for their contributions throughout this journey. And finally, a big shout out to Jeff for leading the charge over the 2-year stretch. It really took all of us in the Solution Center to get this project wrapped up. This takes us to our first tip of the new year. We use a relatively new feature called Timeline in Google Sheets to keep track of the progress. It'll come in handy for anyone that coordinates projects, events, or tasks. First, we have a Google Sheet to include one date column and other details. When the Wi-Fi box is installed, we enter the date. To see our timeline for this project, highlight the date column with at least one other column, such as the name or tasks column. Click Insert and select Timeline, and boom, we now have a visual to show the progress of our project. In 2021, we kept track of when IAR testing started and ended. So I'll highlight the columns of data that includes a start and end date. Insert the timeline, and notice the timeline spans the entire date range. If we want to give it a color pop, look at the optional setting to the right for a card color and pick a column. Then go back to the data and apply colors, making your timeline easier to see. Try this feature out and hopefully it'll help you with your projects. Thanks for watching and have a great day.